Right, here is the flip through of the journal I've been doing. So there's a whole series on this. I'm going to leave it as is. I think that's looking good. Feels lovely. And those have worked to stop that because, you know, there's only quite thin there. So, but it is a soft cover. But, yeah, that's nice. Okay, the front. And, yeah, those worked absolutely brilliantly to stop that. Okay. And there's a tag there. Oh, with a squash butterfly. There we go. Let's make sure that's put in there properly. There you go. Like that. And specimen cards here. Dinky one, that shrunk down one. Okay, and that's this folder here. No, I haven't got a tutorial on this one yet. I think that's one of the first ones I've done. I went to do it and I thought, oh my gosh, it was so complicated to show you, you know, on film. So I didn't do it, but I will do it eventually. I've done some other ones now, and just a little place where you've got some note paper there, behind there. Okay, and then that comes out there with a big pocket there. And there's just a tuck spot on there. Right there, just with some paper behind it. Okay. Yeah, they're real fun to make. I love making them, but I think that was one of the first ones I made, and I thought, oh, I think that's too much for me to go through to show you. So I started off with simpler ones, and then I was sort of working up to this one, really. But I will do one, because I really enjoyed making it. That one, yeah. Okay. And that's a bit of tracing paper on a doily, like a squared, long square, not square, oblong doily. Yeah, that's the tags I made. There's all videos on these. That's there. That's that, and this paper clip embellishment there. They just pop off. It's only going to be a quick flip through because we've seen the video, seen me make it. So there's 3 videos, I think. That was the little window page insert. A bit of a snippet roll there. There's some more tags. This ribbon went so well. It really did. Belly band there. And this is just printed newspaper sort of type thing. Tag. And then there's one going that way with a little text spot in there. That's them. I've shrunk these down, so it will be okay. 3 important reminders. No matter, you are loved. Everything will be okay. Not all storms come to disrupt. Oh, I can't, sorry. When I read out loud, my words don't come out properly. Not all storms come to disrupt your life. Some come to clear your path. There we go. I have to do it without thinking, or slower. Yeah. there, on that. Haven't defluffed. Another paperclip embellishment. That's the centre of the signature, and then that's just a couple of things I put on the end there. That's the tags. This is just a piece of the actual paper. Oh, forgot about that one. Folded up, you know, so you can write on it. Yeah, and that's that one there. I want a little one there. Right. Okay. Need to skim up a bit. That's the other side of that envelope. Oh, I should have defluffed it, shouldn't I? Okay. That's the other tag. And again, that's sort of like a double writing space on those. Not treble, that one. Okay. I mean, this kit that I've used on here is mainly the butterflies in blue, but I think this one was like a misprint of the dragonfly kit I got. I think it's a bit better colour than that. I think that's when my printer started going a bit funny. So, but it works. It blends in lovely, so. Yeah, another paper clip, and that's just like a journaling card that comes from Butterflies in Blue. And you can move all these out, so. I mean, it looks quite chunky, this journal, but if you take everything out, it's not. So. There's some journal on the back, and that's just paper folded up. The floating pocket there. I enjoyed making that. Really did. It's good fun. I've put that in twice there, so I clipped it on the top and here at the moment. Just keep it in, but like I say, once you've written in the journal and everything, you can then maybe stick this in. All right, but I've just done it as a floating one for now. And here is that one there, and that's doubled. And then it's the envelope that we've done. Oops. Pull that off now. There we go. Which is there. And then that's that side. And up to the journaling card. We're done. Okay. Oh, that's my favourite. They're beautiful. They are actually glass. Another paper clip embellishment there. That's a tag within a tag. That's some journaling space on the back there. And this is the back one here with a bit of a journal in there. Couple of things there. And one there. This has got, yeah, and it's got sayings on those, or quotes. There's that. There's about page, got secret pocket there. Nice big envelope at the back here. Nothing in that one, but here we go. Okay, just make sure all the dangles are out before I shut it. Yep, that's good. Okay, well, thank you very much for following along with me then, and I'm looking forward to starting something else now. Yeah, I think I'll do the fabric one that I just recently done a video on, you know, with the tissue paper and fabric. So I think I'll sort of do something with that, because it's I sort of want to share somebody's channel when I show that one, because somebody I found recently actually, and just wonderful work. So I will share her in my next video. And again, thank you very much for watching, and speak to you all soon. Bye.